Okay, so my noodles have been in the fridge for, I don't know, probably about half an hour or so. You can do them fresh from rolling them out, go directly into the water. The longer you let them dry, the longer they're gonna take to cook. If they go straight in, then they'll be done in less than 2 minutes. These ones, I'm guessing maybe at most 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, those okay. And I've got a bowl with a strainer to reserve the cooking liquid. Bacon's nice and crispy. Pancetta would be optional if you have access to it, but it's a lot easier to find bacon. This is a bit more than you probably need. I just went ahead and used the whole pack, but really just a couple of ounces of good fatty pancetta. Actually, somewhere where I'd say it's almost to your benefit to have it be on the fattier side, and make sure to render out that fat. And then I'm gonna pour off the majority of that fat, but keep it. Okay. Check on my noodles. Let's turn that off. Okay. A little one. Nice little bite there still. Alright, that was very quick. Okay. Alright. Let's get that strained. You want to reserve the cooking water, or at least a cup of it. Which is why I've got it over the bowl there. And then, actually, let's get this first. So I got 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks. Getting most of my Parmesan. A good amount of black pepper. That all mixed. Noodles in there. And mix in the Parmesan and the eggs. The eggs don't exactly get cooked, and the biggest mistake I find people make when they're doing this is that they let the eggs go too far. It almost looks like scrambled eggs the way it's mixed in there. Alright, now we're gonna grab some of our cooking water, some of our bacon grease. Let's get that in first. It's a nice silky sauce on the outside, and more bacon fat. Make sure to keep it in emulsion, and that starch and egg will help with that emulsion. A little bit more of the cooking liquid. Notice I didn't add any salt. You should have sufficient salt from the pasta, from the Parmesan, and from the bacon. You don't really need to add any salt. It's amazing how many Italian recipes don't include the addition of any additional salt. All right, mix in a bit of the bacon, kind of as far as your preference is concerned. And the traditional garnish does not include any greenery, so I'm going to leave it fairly traditional. Usually just garnished with a bit more of the cheese and the pepper I'll probably throw a little bit of extra bacon on top as well. Okay. And everyone loves bacon, right? Yummy. All right. Let's give that a little wipe. And we're done.